Rahim, myself Dilawar Khan, and now I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that how to focus attention. It is very much important for the students or every person who wants to do something in their life. Simple practice for 15 minutes. It is efficient for child, adult, and if you have ADHD or not. What does ADHD means? ADHD means attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. The symptoms are inattention, hyperactivity, excess movement that is not fitting to settings. People suffering from ADHD tend to have many attentional faults or blinks, because in this case people with ADHD focus much on things in which they are interested and over focused on these certain things. So there's a open monitoring concept, and in this two modes of vision system we have. First one is soda straw view, second one is panoramic vision. Soda straw vision means incomplete understanding of anything. High level of attention means panoramic vision. It simply means that I have a glass of water in front of me. Panoramic vision means that I just don't need to focus on glass or water. I need to focus and watch the glass on which thing it is placed and the surrounding of this glass. This simply means that panoramic vision. Why I am discussing vision system? Because it is related with our mind. Research data shows that subject need to sit quietly, focus on breathing. Introspection means how to perceive, okay, feelings, the body temperature, how body feels. About 15 minutes doing this significantly reduced attentional faults or blinks. So your focus got better by closing your eyes, reducing the amount of visual informations, learning to pay attention one's internal state. So if you talk about age, age factor, if you talk about age, this disorder or attentional blinks becomes much with the passing of age, and cognitive decline occur. What does cognitive decline means? Cognitive decline means your mental ability become weak. So for all age adult and child suffering with ADHD or not, they must do open monitoring. This helps the brain to work efficient and better. So after doing this 15 minutes, practice this would rewire your brain. Okay, so that would rewire your brain. So this is very much efficient. Open monitoring system is very much efficient. According to Bob Proctor, the mind cannot focus on two things at once. If you try and put two images in the mind at the same time, you have confusion. That would be like two images on the screen at the same time, you have confusion. So conclusion is that we need to do one work and totally focus on that work. According to another saying, if you listen to something, you will see your mind will focus, and still hearing is not listening, according to Sadhguru, great Sadhguru. Hearing unfortunately happens whether you like it or not. Hearing causes distress to the mind. Listening brings mind to stillness. Okay, listening brings mind to stillness every moment of existence. Oh, that's the actual point. It means if you are eating, you need to focus on chewing food. If you are breathing, you need to hear and sense inhalation and exhalation. If you are writing something, you need to focus to look on your fingers and pen or marker. Listening does not mean you are imaging. So you can only listen and imagine when you are not talking. So in the last, from my personal experiences and study, and after watching so many videos for you, for every student and person who want to do something in their life, the main distraction is device which is called cell phone. Why? Just concentrate that when we get up in the morning, most oftenly unlock our phone, watch the time, reels, TikTok, Facebook, and highlights of cricket or any other sports or boxing match which happens last day, about 1 to 2 hours wasted. And then I feel hungry looking for a bath and breakfast and still use phone. And we doing a breakfast. During a breakfast we also use cell phone during a breakfast. That is the most harmful thing. Being a science teacher, if I say to myself, being a science teacher, and I have to work on my profession, ठीक है, and being a zoologist, I need to study books related to my field, but still using phone and done some ordinary works which are essential for living, for example buying milk, food and fruit, etc., or going to a market for buying something else. After taking classes in college, and after that we still use phone. That is actually the main distraction. Okay, so cell phone is the main distraction. So how to control this? We can control this to stimulate ourselves low, and we can get ourselves to a condition that is called as boredom. Because when we use cell phone, we in our body dopamine releases, and our body satisfied and hyper stimulated state of mind occur. We need to control this to get lower stimulated or become boredom. Okay, the state of mind in which we are bored by doing some activities for 1 to 2 weeks. So we will get to use of these kind of activities, and this would be helpful. So I hope you understand and you enjoyed it. If you understand this, please subscribe my channel, and any kind of topic which is related with our daily life, so you can comment us and we will discuss inshallah.